Hello friends, welcome to the next lecture on denojs. Okay, in the previous lectures we have seen like how to implement the REST API, and we have implemented get all the users, get a specific user, create the user. We have implemented, and now we are going to see few more advanced concepts or few more things in the get user and create user. First, what I will do, I will look for this user. Previous lecture we have seen, right? Get this user. We got the 200, okay, and we received the user also. Okay, let's try with some invalid user. What will happen? Nothing we got. Check it. Server is stopped. Again, start it. Observe here. If you pass invalid user, which is not present in the MongoDB, and server is crashing, not working. It's not good sign. Should not make our server crash for invalid request. How to fix this issue? Okay, we can fix this issue by importing like object ID is present in the MongoDB. This Mongo, instead of importing Mongo client object ID, let's import object ID. Using object ID, don't use directly like this, like object OID from. Pass this one, and instead of close brace, use this one. Let's check it now. Let's check the response. Server is compiling. Our code is getting compiled. Up and run. Let's check it now. Okay, better than previous. Getting internal server error. User is not present. Do we need to return internal server or we need to return 404? Should return 404 error, not internal server. So, how to handle it? Using try catch. Whenever exception comes, right? Throwing. If user is not found, it is throwing an exception. Instead of throwing the exception directly, let's catch it. Catch the exception. This find method is throwing an exception. Let's catch the exception. Error. Here, what we will do? We'll see the response. Body. Choose invalid user. Valid ID. You can say invalid user. And instead of returning 500, let's change the response. Status 404. Let's check it again. Stop the server. What we are doing here, whenever it throws an exception, it goes to catch block. In catch block, we are saying 404 body invalid user ID. Okay, friends. Let's try now. Okay, it's coming invalid user ID. Let's give instead of constant, right? Let's give some more meaningful error message. You like error. Error is valid user ID. Maybe you can, if you wanted to return, let's return status not success, it's a fail. Let's stop the server and start it. We are returning JSON message now. Okay, we are getting error invalid user status fail. Okay, now what we are going, just see the friends again this code. We are calling find one function. If we pass invalid user, this find one function will return exception. Whenever it throws exception, it will goes to catch block. In catch block, we are saying status 404 and body with invalid user ID and status is failed. Next, what we will do, see some create function. Let's go to post method body. Don't pass any body and let's hit it. Client error. No, don't need to have ID. Let's try now. What happened? Again, server is crashed. How to fix this issue? Why it is crashing? We are passing document undefined document over here. So instead of passing undefined document, let's check it how to handle this one. What we will do, we will have a condition. Every request has body, right? Has body. This request has body or not? We will check it. Not has body. Is it having body? Then only do this. Does not have body, means it goes to else condition. Does not have body, invalid request. Same JSON message. Request body. User cannot be empty. The data cannot be empty. Status is 404. Client is doing mistake, not server. Let's check now. We are calling has body function. If has body function is returning true, then it goes inside and insert the document and return the document. If it does not have any body, comes to else condition. Here we are saying 404 and we are giving the error back. Let's check. Send. Server error. Again, what is happening? Request has body. And let's go to Deno. Deno land. Here let's go for third party modules. Work Okay, where invoke, let's check the method. We'll have request and response, right? Let's check for request and response. Context app socket master cookies request. It has just has body, no method call. It's not a method call. It's an attribute friend. Stop it. Again, start the server. What happened? Traces. Okay. Let's check now. Compiling. Once compilation is successful, it will run it. Yes, it is up. Let's check it. Yes. 404. User data cannot be empty. It is written status failure. Now let's pass somebody. Name ABC. It's inserting. Just observe here. We are passing all junk values. Send it. It's working. Check it. It's working. These are all the validations we have to add, because we should not send empty body. Also, we should not allow junk values like hello is the key and hello is the value and abc xyz. We should not allow. The upcoming lectures we will put validations. Thank you, friends.